After your ITC system is happy and clean, you can check if it works perfectly. And therefore, you do not need anything, only water. So perform a water test, and you can also do it at the beginning of your measuring day, for example, under this condition for a peak ITC and an ITC 200. And this experiment will tell you already so much about the system. Is it clean? Is it performing well? Is it warm? Is it ready that you put your precious protein into the system and start your working day? With every system, you also get an EDTA test kit. This is not, let's say, needed to check if the system's fine, but it is a good tool for 30 experiments to get familiar with the system. Or if you have a new colleague that has to be trained, because after this experiment, you have a piece of paper where the errors are also included. And if everything is in the spec, you know that your handling is pretty well and you are ready to work with the ITC on a daily basis. That's one of the examples for a water test. And some experts, they know already where to have an eye on. So first, it is very important where the baseline starts and that every peak has an homogeneous behavior and the peak depth is very small in size. If you're not sure if your expectation is a good one, you can also send this water ITC file to your local team, and we will do like an evaluation test. And if it's passed, then we will tell you, thumbs up, your system's great. You can start with your precious protein to work with.